Hey everyone, welcome back to Imagination Tech. So we are here right now in Mauban, Quezon, and we're on our way to Cagbalete. But it's been an eventful day one of this weekend. We were actually in Real, Quezon 3 hours ago. And we were supposed to go to Jomalig, but the Coast Guard wasn't letting any boat, go to the islands because of a gale warning. So we decided to travel 3 hours south. So hope you can join us for this weekend on this vlog, and we'll see you on the island. So we've made it to our resort here at Cagbalete Island. We are here at Joven Blue Sea Beach Resort, and we're just waiting for our lunch to be cooked. We bought some bangus, 1 kilo of bangus that's gonna serve us for late lunch and up to dinner, maybe even breakfast tomorrow. But right now we are here walking towards their beach, and there's practically no one else here. So this is just sand and beach and sandbar for miles as far as the eye can see. So I got here my quad. I'm just gonna fly this. quick flight just before lunch. It's a really good flight. Unfortunately, it seems that my SD card is corrupted, so I only have DVR. So hope that was okay, because after I edit this, that's probably what's going to go up there into the video. Well, probably after we fly the Mavic Air, just transfer the SD card onto the GoPro and hope that works just fine. I'll probably have to, I have no choice. I have to fly again. I'll have to fly that 5-inch again, just so I have a better video to show you guys. Right, anyway, we're just going to Sandbar. Check out this video. everyone. So it's a Sunday morning and we're still here at Joven's Blue Sea Resort, and we've just spent the whole morning, after eating breakfast at least and coffee, we've spent the whole morning flying the Mavic Air, DropSrc, my 5-inch quad, and the Tiny Hawk Freestyle. Unfortunately, Carl wasn't able to fly her 75X because the 5-volt regulator on that is busted. So if you know how to fix that, let me know in the comments. So we're just going to take a shower and check out, and we're going to head back to Mauban. It's been a really nice chill weekend, but that's going to be it for this part of the of our vacation. So we will just catch you in the next video. In the meantime, I'll leave you some clips of our way back home, and if you like this video, click on like, make sure to subscribe, and as always, keep building and keep flying.